Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 5, reproduction in plants. Reproduction is a process by which a living thing produces more of its own kind. In this video, we are going to explore flower, the reproductive part in process of reproduction. Flowers are the reproductive parts of plants. They have stamens, which are the male parts of the flower, and carpels or pistils, which are the female parts of the flower. A stamen has two parts, anther and filament, whereas pistil has three parts, stigma, style and ovary. Anther has pollen grains which carry male gamete. Ovary has ovules which carry female gamete. Apart from these, petals and sepals are also present in the flower. Process of reproduction. Reproduction in flowering plants takes place in two steps. First step involves pollination and second step involves fertilization. The transfer of pollen grains from an anther of a flower to the stigma of the same or different flower of the same kind is called pollination. Fertilization. After landing on the stigma, a pollen tube comes out of the pollen grain that moves down the style and reaches the ovary. The pollen tube carries the male gamete to the ovary. Inside the ovary, the male gamete moves towards the ovule and fuses with the female gamete to form a zygote. Later, the ovule develops into a seed, and the ovary develops into a fruit. The seed can grow into a new plant. So, fusion of the male gamete with the female gamete is called fertilization.